Imagine waking up to see your bank account has grown while you were sleeping. Passive income isn't just a dream, it's a strategic system. Today, I'm revealing the best ways to build wealth without trading your time for a paycheck. Achieving financial freedom through passive income. In today's fast-paced world, the concept of trading time for money is gradually fading, giving way to a smarter approach to wealth creation: passive income. Imagine a life where your money works for you, generating consistent returns even while you sleep, travel, or pursue your passions. This is not a pipe dream. It is a tangible reality for those who plan strategically to build passive income streams. Passive income is money earned with minimal ongoing effort after the initial work is completed. It is about creating systems that generate a steady income over time, freeing you from the traditional 9-to-5 routine and paving the way for true financial independence. Why is passive income important for building wealth? The appeal of passive income lies in its ability to decouple your time from your earnings. Unlike active income, which requires your constant presence and effort, passive income allows you to leverage assets, skills, and investments to generate a steady cash flow. This not only provides financial security, but also gives you the freedom to make choices that align with your lifestyle and personal goals. Building wealth through passive income means creating multiple income streams that can withstand economic fluctuations, accelerate your savings, and ultimately enable early retirement or the launch of entrepreneurial ventures without financial stress. It is a cornerstone of long-term financial planning and a powerful tool for achieving lasting prosperity. The best passive income ideas to consider. 1. Real estate investment. A timeless way to build wealth. Real estate has long been one of the most reliable ways to generate passive income. This involves purchasing properties, whether residential or commercial, and collecting rent from tenants. While this requires an initial capital investment and some degree of management, the resulting income can be substantial and appreciate over time. A practical alternative is real estate investment trusts, REITs, which allow you to invest in large-scale property portfolios without directly owning any property, offering a more convenient and accessible entry point into the real estate market. 2. Dividend-bearing stocks and bonds. Investing for regular returns. Investing in dividend-paying stocks means receiving a portion of a company's profits on a regular basis. This is one of the most straightforward ways to generate passive income, especially when you reinvest dividends to compound your returns over time. Similarly, bonds provide fixed interest payments over a defined period. Both options require careful research and a solid understanding of market dynamics, but they offer a steady and reliable income stream with relatively little ongoing effort. 3. Creating digital products, ebooks, training courses, and software. The digital age has opened up enormous opportunities to create and sell digital products. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can develop an ebook, an online course, or even a software application. Once created, these products can be sold indefinitely with minimal additional effort, generating a consistent stream of passive income. While marketing and periodic updates are necessary to maintain relevance, the core product ultimately does the heavy lifting. 4. Peer-to-peer lending, earning interest by lending your capital. Peer-to-peer, P2P, lending platforms connect borrowers directly with individual investors, bypassing traditional financial institutions. You can lend money to individuals or small businesses and earn interest on your loans. While there is an inherent element of risk, diversifying your lending portfolio across multiple loans significantly mitigates this risk. It is an effective way to put your capital to work and generate returns that are often considerably higher than those offered by traditional savings accounts. 5. Affiliate marketing, earning commissions from referrals. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other companies' products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. This can be done through a blog, a social media platform, or a dedicated website. Once your content is well established and consistently attracts a loyal audience, the income becomes largely automatic, requiring only periodic content updates and strategic engagement to maintain momentum. 6. High-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, low-risk options. For those seeking low-risk passive income options, high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs, offer a safe and straightforward way to earn interest on their savings. While the returns may not match those of higher-risk investment vehicles, they provide a secure and consistent stream of income, making them an ideal complement to any long-term wealth-building strategy. 7. Vending machines and laundromats, semi-passive businesses. These options are more hands-on than others, yet they are still considered semi-passive sources of income. Once established, vending machines and laundromats require only periodic maintenance and restocking, yet they can generate a steady cash flow with far less direct involvement than traditional businesses. The key to success lies in securing high-traffic locations and investing in durable, reliable equipment. Summary: your journey to financial independence. Building passive income streams is more of a marathon than a sprint. It requires patience, strategic planning, and often an initial investment of time or capital. However, the long-term rewards, financial freedom, reduced stress, and the ability to live life entirely on your own terms, are truly invaluable. By exploring and implementing the passive income strategies outlined in this guide, you can embark on your journey toward building sustainable wealth and living a life where your money works for you around the clock. Remember to diversify your income streams and continuously educate yourself on evolving market trends to maximize your passive income potential. The sooner you start, the sooner you will achieve the financial independence you have always aspired to. Building passive income is a journey, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. If you found these ideas valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the Earn Money Hub to join our community of future wealth builders.